The ID Validate app provides a way to check ID numbers to confirm whether a user is allowed to access an event or activity in an offline or non-network mode. The ID data resides on the phone, so if you have no access to a good Wi-Fi or cellular signal, this is the solution for you. This video will show you how to upload a valid ID file as well as obtain the transaction log, which shows what ID numbers were allowed and denied and at what date and time. The first screen is for keyboard entry only. Just type in the ID number and press the Validate button to confirm whether a user is allowed or denied access to the activity. We will test a valid and an invalid entry. The valid entry will look like this, and an invalid entry will look like this. The second screen acts in the same way as the first screen, except it's for barcode scanning. This allows the user to scan the barcode ID number. To use this option, you will need to download the free Zxing barcode scanner app. The app will automatically integrate with the ID Validate app. The link is provided in the description and also in the info button in the app. This is an example of a barcode scan. The Tools screen allows for several different file operations. Once a new ID file has been copied onto the phone, the Clear Database and Upload New IDs button must be clicked on for the offline database on the phone to be loaded with the new data. This is what the upload.txt file with the ID numbers must look like. Your list must have parentheses around each ID number and after each record a comma. The last record will need to have a semicolon at the end of the record. Each ID number can have up to 20 characters of letters, numbers, or special characters. The app can handle thousands of records. You can use Excel and Notepad to help you edit the file format. Once the file is ready, you must copy it to your Android phone. Connect your phone to your computer with a USB data cable. You may have to click on an Allow Access prompt on your phone to enable the connection. Create the ID Validate folder at the same level as the App Inventor folder and copy the upload.txt file into this folder. Make sure the ID Validate folder is spelled the same way as the example and is in lowercase. Now go back to the app and click the Clear Database and Upload New IDs button to load the data into the offline database on the phone. Now you are ready to start your activity or event. This must be done before you can start validating ID numbers. If you need to use different ID numbers for an event, then this process will need to be repeated. Export transactions log file to email. This function allows the user to send themselves an email with the transaction log. The View Transactions log file. This function allows the user to view the log file just in case the user needs to see a past transaction immediately. The log contains the ID number, time of transaction, and whether it was valid or invalid. Delete Transactions log file. This function deletes the transaction log file so the user can log data for a new event. The Info or About screen provides a link for this video tutorial, help, and a link for the barcode scanning utility.